Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by today because today I have a cute little painting that I finally have started up on. I haven't painted, I think, for maybe a month or two, and I've been trying to get myself back into it. And instead of starting a really big project, I figured I'd just sketch something cute out and make myself do it, and I actually had a lot of fun with this piece. Also realized I haven't really given a life update in a while, and I figured it was due time for one since so much stuff has been happening. It's been a big year, and I'm glad it's over and I'm ready to start another one, but I really hope less stuff happens. At least less stressful stuff. I guess I should start off with the beginning of last year. I don't know how many people are aware, but we did move into a house. Really like this house, but it has been a handful. It was not expected to be as much work as it is, and we've been having things falling apart left and right where it's like, okay, what thing are we fixing this month? Because it was pretty much one or two things a month. And yeah, I'm hoping we won't have as much to deal with, but the most recent one was we had a big freeze and a pipe in the yard decided to break, and that was not fun. Now, because we've been having so many things going on with the house, I haven't had a chance to, like, design or add any like characteristics to it like paint or whatnot, and I've learned a big lesson that like when you move into a new house, this is not a new house by the way, it's from like the 80s, but when you move into a house, give it a couple months before you decide to like tear something apart and redo it, because I decided I wanted to redo some shelves in our half bath, and after everything came up, I have not had the time or money to invest in finishing them up because I wanted to rip them out and like redesign them completely. So our half bath for this entire year has been pretty much torn apart on one side of it. Definitely not gonna do that again. I'm really ready to finish that project, by the way. I have a cute idea and I just want to do it. Now, because of the house and a couple other issues, I have not had a chance to post almost anything last year, and I really want to get back into posting things. I don't know if they will be like art doll themed or anything like that. I feel a little bit honestly burned out on that, and I'm trying to just figure out what I want to do and what I want to make right now. I think right now I've been really enjoying painting, and I recently restarted up crocheting. I haven't crocheted in years, and I kind of got the itch for it, and I've been really enjoying it, and I'm hoping to actually add some stuff to my shop soon. But yeah, I haven't had a chance to really work too much because of the house, and then another thing that's been kind of slowing me down is Axel. So, roughly about the beginning of last year, or a little bit kind of before last year even started, Axel started having trouble walking, and we discovered that he has a degenerative myopathy. So at this point, he can't walk at all. He's completely like bedridden, and that's been a lot of work. Yeah, taking care of him right now has been taking up a good chunk of my time, and just working really hard to keep him comfortable as long as we have him. I don't see him leaving anytime soon, but he constantly has health issues popping up because of it, and more things as he's just losing more and more mobility. So that's been kind of like the biggest kind of like sad point of last year, and I'm really hoping that he does okay and we can keep him as long as possible. Sorry, I didn't want this to turn into like a sad video or anything, but yeah, that's just one of the biggest things that I've been dealing with right now. And yeah, he's 11 years old, so even if he wasn't having health issues, wouldn't have him too much longer. But it's definitely been cut shorter. Um, But yeah, I'm just giving him everything that I can right now because I'm enjoying what little time I currently have with him. Anyways, sorry. But yeah, let's switch to a more positive topic. If you guys have been paying attention to my Instagram, you probably have seen Boulder. I recently, about like, I'd say 6 months ago, ended up getting our little baby. He is a sulcata tortoise. We got him when he was roughly, I think, 6 weeks old. He was only like 54 grams, I believe, when we first got him. And in 6 months, he's already gotten to where he's almost a pound. I think he is roughly about 400 grams now. So, yeah, he is getting big. He is the third largest species of tortoise. Um, so yeah, he's going to be big baby, but right now he is little baby, and I've just been really enjoying having him in the house. He's so cute. Of course, gonna throw photos up and stuff for you guys to see him, cause proud mama. But yeah, it's been a busy year, a lot of changes and stuff, and I really just I feel like I need to revamp everything and just kind of start fresh because I have been so burned out. I was burned out before this year, but this year fully set in how burned out I actually was. To the point where it definitely affected me, like even just making money. So I'm trying to refigure out what I want to do with channel, shop, all that stuff, and I feel like I just want to focus on making fun content and putting little simple things out there for people to buy. I don't think I want to go like big projects right now. Eventually, I might get the inspiration to do something quite large, but I just want to leave it simple and enjoy things right now, and I hope you guys don't mind me just kind of changing things up. Still going to be an art channel. It's not like we're going to turn into a podcast or anything. But yeah, I'm just gonna kind of work on things that I want to work on when I want to work on them, and I really hope you guys enjoy the things I come up with because I need to recalibrate and just reset everything so that I can put stuff out there that I'm enjoying actually making because I am tired. I also don't want to just overthink everything because at a certain point when you're trying to make content that's going to just get a lot of views, you start overthinking everything to the point of like, is this going to work? And just, yeah, I think I'm just gonna slow down and enjoy it, not overthink it, not over edit everything to whereas like this video has to be perfect. Like if it's not edited perfectly, no one's gonna watch it. I know that's not true. Like, trust me, most of the videos that get a ton of views aren't really edited or done even well. It's just they just get views, and I need to relax and I need to not like be so picky on everything that I put out and just post what I want to post. So yeah, I'm gonna try and just chill out and just see what happens. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed like the little painting that I did today. Not anything too special, but I had a lot of fun with the color combos. Um, I've done a painting with yellow before where it was like the background, and for some reason I really liked how it came out, so I decided to do that with this, but with pinks. And yeah, it really pops. It feels very vibrant, and normally I don't work with this kind of color palette, and I'm again trying new things, and I had a lot of fun with it. Anyways, again, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna try and post whenever I have the ability to post. I'm not going to put it off or anything like that. I'm just going to, yeah, if I have a video ready, I'm just gonna put it out there, and I hope you guys enjoy. So there might not be really a schedule. It might just be, okay, video is ready, it's going up. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.